Make it.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Airport 4. By the way guys, Merry Christmas, because technically it's 12:59, so technically it's Christmas.
Go. So which one we entering?
Oh, I'm gonna do my baggage drop. Gate 1. Or Gate A.
Wait. No. Wait. Yeah. Okay, so we're getting no one.
Dude, does that say 66 players? Oh, it says 6. 3, 2, 1. No one shall follow us. One last flight.
Dude. My screen time went off. Hold on.
You played award. That's what I got. I got the You Played award. Do 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 do. Dad, wakey wakey. Oh my god. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that.
What are you saying?
This is wakey wakey. Eggs and bakey.
What does that mean? Wait, he texted you?
No. Dad said it. Oh god. Go find Dad. That's where we gotta go do today. Okay, hold on guys. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Airport 4. And Santa, by the way guys, technically is Christmas, but yeah, you know how we play that. So,
Wait, first we need to drop off our baggage.
there you go. I'm going to Gate B.
No.
It doesn't matter, it's only one person. The more people to help us. Oh, she left.
Yes. No.
You're gonna leave. Oh my god, there's 8 people.
No, leave.
Yeah, leave. We're trying to like play this.
Okay, sorry guys. We
Yeah.
have to leave for a second.
We're trying to get like,
Everybody was legit joining us.
it was like last like 2 seconds and everyone decided to join.
Last 2 seconds. Come on guys, into Gate B. Gate C.
Effects.
It's empty.
Gate B.
Turn out. Gate C.
I wanna leave.
Come on.
Stop.
Gate C. And hurry. Please don't die. No.
It's one dude. It's one person better than the other 18 we had. Okay guys, now the game really starts. So yeah.
I mean, last time we thought the game was actually going to start, but
Yeah, we gotta leave because
one last flight. Airplane to the last flight. Dude, but can you believe in that last video I actually shot the monster? Oh, wakey. Oh my god.
yeah.
I'm not saying
Wakey eggs and bakey. What? Don't tell me you forgot. Well, forgot what?
Sorry.
Today's the big day.
For
What?
what?
For what? Let me remind you. Okay, let's hear it. You're going to the
humans.
Get down here.
Rohannes. Oh,
Damien, where are you?
I'm sitting right here.
Come on. Let's go to Dad.
Oh my, none of you have done your baggage. Oh, that's why we had baggage. I can't believe you forgot. We even have time. That's it. Whoever in that bag is ready before breakfast are not going to the trip.
What? Let's go get our baggage, Damien.
I will start making burgers in the backyard. Burgers sound nice, right?
Damien, where's our baggage? I'm gonna get this, this, and this. Hold on, how do you do it? I really want to go on the trip. What are we going to do? I don't even remember where my clothes are. Bruh. Oh, here's what we're gonna do. 45 seconds to explore the house, see where everything is. Then we start packing.
So, everything's right here.
Yo, I'm gonna go check the other rooms.
Yeah. Go check the other rooms.
Oh god, never mind. I'm not even gonna enter this room.
Wakey, Edson.
Bakey.
I don't get why he said that.
It's like what every dad says. I'm like, bruh.
I mean, it would make sense.
Yo, I'm running back upstairs.
I mean, it would make sense if you were like 5 or 6.
Dude, I'm running back upstairs. I'm gonna make it.
Dude.
Dude, I made it with 3 seconds to spare.
All my stuff. Okay, guys, time to start packing.
I want shoes.
Find this item. Baggage item.
Oh,
Take it to your baggage. You have to take everything to your baggage.
and you have 33 seconds
Oh,
to
so
do it.
You can't jump over the railing.
Nope, tried to.
If you could jump over the railing, that would be wild.
Oh, you have to do one thing.
Okay.
I'm packing. You have to do 2 things?
Wait, it gives you more time each item.
Oh, yeah.
you get.
I was like, wait a minute, what? I was to say, I'm packing 1 pair of pants.
But.
Damn, I need to find this item.
What? That item's not in that room.
Maybe you should have looked around more.
Wait, I think this guy put all the things in different places. Tom, come on, back. Your baggage. I'm heading back upstairs. What's next?
What are those? Where?
That's in the pink room.
Yeah, I think this is in the pink room.
Oh, come on. It's not in the pink room.
It is in the pink room.
Not.
No, mine is. I gotta get the purple pants.
Mine's not.
Why is Santa?
Yes,
Why is Santa packing purple pants?
mine's in the blue. Purple pants? Why purple pants?
I don't know. That's what I'm trying to figure out. What does Santa like about purple pants? I mean, I can't judge him.
Last baggage?
Yep.
I think so. Yeah, that's a.
Burgers are almost ready. Dude, look at the green one in the middle.
Ew, dude.
Bro.
Eating that one.
Yo, I swear, if I get that one, if I see it disappear, I'm not eating anyone. I'm not eating any of them. Bro, hold on, I gotta look at that burger again.
I can't look at that burger.
Bro.
Can you
Bro.
go through this air vent? You can go through the air vent.
What air vent?
There's an air vent in the thing,
Why is it counting down?
in the pool. But
Damn it, why is it counting down?
I don't know. Maybe we have to grab a burger. No, we don't. So we. Oh, baggage.
What do we do with our baggage?
I don't know.
I'm just gonna...
Just sitting down.
No, thank you.
Please don't give me the green burger.
Bro, what is he... Who wants burger? No, not me.
I know want green burger.
Guys, I don't want a green burger.
Oh, I'm so hungry.
No, I don't.
Alright. Sit on the What? Why would you sit on the picnic table?
Dad, don't give me the... Bro, he's gonna give me the bad burger.
One for Riz. For Dancing and Fan merch.
Yes!
I'm good, dude. Wait, That's all of them?
Yeah, because there's only 3 of us.
Oh,
And then he says the burgers were poisonous.
hello, everyone. We're back on Loxus States News. Turner, come here. Do you want to find the air vent? Come on.
No, I found it.
Did you get the game pass?
It's not a game pass.
No, did you get the badge?
Yes.
Objective.
This month, the president congratulated the brave heroes that saved life aboard the presidential plane. That was us. Whoa! Can you imagine saving a plane? I've done it twice. Santa is very nice. However, the president said in conference, as we landed, the suspect somehow disappeared.
No, see this?
The police warned everyone in Robloxia to be careful and report anything that could be unusual of the case. How could someone possibly escape something like that?
Oh my, look at the time.
What time?
Exactly. We're running late to our
Oh my god, Damien.
Wait, we saved another flight, dude.
It's airplane, bro.
Yes.
What else do we do?
Follow me.
Let's follow Dad.
Where is Dad? Where'd he go?
Dad's broken.
Dude, where's Dad? Oh. I thought we lost Dad for a second.
Don't mind me, Damien.
Following Dad.
I have a bad feeling about this. Santa, you're good, bro. You good.
Dude, you good.
Yo, look. I'm racing Dad.
Oh, so he knew about this.
Damien, look. Damien, look. I'm racing Dad.
You won.
Yeah, facts.
How do you have that? The garage? I didn't know that. I thought.
Wait for it. He actually walks over to it. That's actually really cool. I present you
An airplane!
your very own small plane.
Wait, it even tells you what plane's yours. My plane!
My plane. Santa is very good at driving a plane.
We get the oh! That's funny.
Damien. Santa's really good at flying a
A
plane.
lot more fun than walking.
Oh, where's Dad? Where's Dad's plane?
No, maybe he has a big one. No, can't lose more time.
Find your plane and grab a seat.
Get on your plane.
Dude, where is Dad? Dad's just standing there like, see ya.
Objective. Get on your plane.
Next objective, sit in the seat. Next objective, don't crash.
Oh god.
Can we actually fly them?
Flying in the air.
Now we can catch. No, we can't lose any more time. Find your plane and grab your seat. I'll see you guys on the other side.
Wait.
Hey, Dad's waving at us. He's closing the door. Wait, we don't even know how to fly these.
Wait, I get to say it.
We have to find out. Just be careful with the obstacles. Well, I know how to fly it. I'm Santa. I know how to fly everything. Or obstacles. What the
Oh, I know how.
Yeah, it's called Get Away from the Wall.
It's so cool. Isn't this cool?
This is really cool. I like this. It's interactive. Oh my god.
Dude, isn't this cool?
Yo, this is so weird.
It is, dude.
No, we're gonna hit. No! I think Damien just blew up.
Yeah, I did. No, I did. Yes, I survived.
I can't see because everyone's in my way.
I couldn't move for a second. Ta-da,
Bro,
my head.
I'm almost dead because the stupid dude in the wing. He has his stupid wings on.
He's dead the most. Don't complain.
I can't see.
Tourist. Perfect. Everyone is here now.
I forgot to tell you. Flying over the shortcut is illegal. Hopefully no one saw you. This airport is just around the corner. Let's keep moving. Follow Dad.
I'm almost dead. Yeah, you are.
It's right there.
There.
Watch before crossing. Yo, there's a car.
So? Oh. There's an actual car.
I'm scared.
Bear bear.
Come on, Dad. Could you walk any slower?
Actually, you really can.
Let's cross the street.
Oh!
Oh my God.
I just got hit.
That was close. Now hurry inside.
More like that was a bus that just hit me.
That was a truck.
That must have hurt.
Hey, we're at the lobby. Attention, everyone. Flight 70 to Row Humans is leaving in 5 minutes. That's our flight. I already have my ticket. Get yours before the plane takes off without us.
Wait. What do we do? Get a ticket through the boarding gate. Ticket.
Have a safe flight, thank you.
Whee!
No more waiting, let's go. Come on, Dad. Dude, Dad takes like 10 years.
No more waiting. More like a lot more waiting.
Yeah, I'm gonna be waiting here for like 10 more years.
Just stop running.
Santa's gonna be,
Hello. We must be the last passengers flying to Rohannes.
Yep, that's us. I'm just
Don't
gonna...
worry, you were just in time.
Really? Can I get by now?
All you need to do now is go through the metal detector.
Damien, do you
to go.
think they're gonna catch my sword on my back?
Alright. Through the metal detector.
Hold on, let's see Dad. Is he good? Yup.
Are you sure that means good? What?
I think
don't
it-
have anything on me. I knew it.
He on.
Other than
He has a gun.
this weapon.
This weapon. Oh my God, Dad. His muscles, bro. That was, oh my God.
It was a flex. Something is not right. Please wait a minute.
Oh no. I don't like how this sounds. Yeah, because my thing went off. Uh-oh. Oh, Damien. They finally caught up to me. You're going to have to come with us. Never!
Wait, what?
Exactly. We didn't even do anything. Oh, I thought I had a gun in my hand. What is the problem, officer? All you were caught flying over a restricted area. Damien.
Wait here until we get all the paperwork ready.
Oh,
Oh no, I'm getting crazy vibes from this. I just found a bat. Donna? I found a bat. What? What are you doing?
you
what?
found...
You can climb this?
Damien, where'd you find the bat?
Which vent did you go? On the table.
But I can't take it.
There it goes. It's starting to take off.
For real?
Just tap on it. What is that red thing on the airstrip?
Oh my God. It's Dark Vader.
Is it? Wait, that's the werewolf.
That's Skeletox. Last one, my plan is finally complete. Oh my God, he just shook the whole thing. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I can't fight.
Are you enjoying the show? Kinda. Not gonna lie. I'm kind of enjoying the show. Your world will soon be property of the Underdeads? The Undeads, oh. First, I use angry humans to help me build an
I
army.
disconnected. That's why it didn't show me the text.
Take over the world by myself. No. It's getting juicy.
You're gonna have to fight here in a minute.
It won't even let me get the back yet, or the bat yet. I'll see you in the afterlife.
I bet you'll die.
Hopefully I don't die.
Where are you going?
I don't know, he just ran off. What is going on? I don't know. With red eyes. And they're moving.
And they're moving.
Beat him. Beat him up. Beat him up. Someone just died. Someone just died. No, I died. Continue.
So, play again?
Fine.
Which way? They all have one word. I think this is the only one available. Turn up.
What?
Gate 3.
Bro, this girl keeps following me.
Because I don't think we have a choice.
Gate 3? I'm not going gate C.
Yep.
Bro, they keep following me.
Turn up.
What? Someone just yelled Santa.
Gate A. Gate A.
Someone just yelled Santa. Epic Blade Master.
Turn up. Go over here.
Yes.
So no one sees you.
Yeah, because they see Santa, they're gonna be like, yo. Damien.
No!
They're okay. They're fine. Let's go. Come on. One last flight. Dude, the stupid things killed me.
Okay, guys, if you're watching this on Christmas, Merry Christmas to you guys.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Yeah, we've already read all this text. Let's go. Come on. Sorry, guys, my screen is a little dirty. I'm trying to clean it off.
Up.
Bro, come on, downstairs. I'm gonna be the first one down. Yay. I'm gonna go yell at Dad. Oh my. None of you are done your baggage.
It's not
Okay, guys, I will show you when we get back to the, when we do our baggage and stuff like that. Or when we, like, turn it into the airport, okay? I will see you guys then. And,
Yeah, close.
alright. Hey, okay, guys, we're back. We did all that. We had 2 other guys. We just beat the plane and all that. No problem at all. We gotta hurry inside now.
Wait, we have to drop our baggage.
Yeah, we gotta drop our baggage.
Attention, everyone.
Come on, lady.
7, 6, 6. Okay, we're going to cut this out. Oh.
Okay, guys, let's just drop our bags. Come on, drop our bags.
Let me drop my bag, dude.
Bro, my bag. Drop. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Grab my bag.
Drop my bag, grab my coupon, and run inside.
Take it. Whee. But, Dad, no wait. No more waiting. Let's go. That's what I just said.
Come on, bro. I'm about to break this door down.
Going
Let me go.
Dude, you still have your ticket?
Yeah.
That is our plane. I swear the guy spawns right there, right?
No.
Last passengers. Don't worry, you are just in time.
Come on, lady, just open the dang gate.
You are good to go. I'm not going in first.
I did.
Come on.
Oh.
What?
Press it. Hey, Dad, don't do it. Dad, don't do it. Don't do it, Dad. Oh my God, he did it.
Then use weapons.
Bro, he did it. Oh my God, Dad. Damien, do you still have your ticket?
Flexing.
Dad, or Damien, do you still have your ticket?
Something's what?
Do you still have your ticket?
Yes.
Oof.
I think so.
Oh no, I don't like how this sounds.
Honestly, I don't either. I saw my ticket. I saw my ticket.
Uh-oh, the cops are here. They're marching in.
The whites. The white cop. The blacks are good too.
Damien,
You know what? I'm gonna climb up here.
I know this joke is old, but look. Stan is now a part of the police force. On the bat, give me a
I
bat.
grabbed the bat.
Yo, come here, pretty boy. Oh, yo, we gonna knock him out. Boom. Boom.
Yeah, come out. Wait.
Uh-oh. Yo, knock Dad unconscious.
Sorry, I knew it was a bad idea.
Then why didn't you... Oh, I just pushed Dad. Did Dad just grab a bat? Oh.
Bat.
Yo, I wanna watch it get summoned. Yo, it's so weird looking.
What's that red thing in the airship?
Yeah, I'm staying away. I'm going up here.
What happened? What happened last time?
He summoned a bunch of things.
My plan is finally complete.
Oh, shoot, we almost fell. Did you see that?
No, dude. My plan is finally complete. Are you enjoying the show, humans?
No. By the way, the cops can't climb that.
Your world will soon be a property of the undeads.
Damien, don't die, okay?
Where's that you?
They are very strong.
Humans? Well, at least we know that we're both at full health.
Well, they are very strong, so don't stress.
Don't like expect anything easy.
If you need to climb up to heal for a second, then
See you in the afterlife. Mwahahaha. So we walk that way.
and then they
Is
come.
this the part where the cops come in now?
I think so. Hold on. Yes.
Ah! Wait. They look different. And ask them for help. They all turned a different color?
Bro.
What? No, I'm staying up here.
Why are they all just standing there?
Okay, we're good.
They learned how to climb though.
Okay, let's fight them. They're incredibly strong. I am sorry for regretting you. Got him?
I got one.
Got him? Little help you. Little time to heal.
We got him.
I killed two, you killed two. Or did you kill one, I killed two?
I killed two.
Okay.
Damien, what's happening now? That was horrible. We gotta find an exit to this place.
Why not the way that the cops
Look.
came in?
There's vents. Try to see if we can get up there and find something.
So we weren't... Oh, it's the vent I went through.
Oh my God, we're going through the back. Dad, I'm sorry, we gotta leave you.
Baggage room?
Are we leaving, Dad? Where's Dad?
We need to get out.
Is Dad crying? Wait, where's Dad? Damien, look.
Wait. No.
He's turning. No! You need to keep going. Without me. His eyes are turning red. Run, Damien.
Turn him this way. No, dude.
I kind of figured with the giant arrow. We have to do something. But first, let's get out of this place. Before more monsters come.
Yeet.
This is kind of hard.
Wait. Badge secret 4. Whee!
Damien. It's General Poncho! Yes! Oh my god, he's still alive! He's still alive, guys.
Looks like I'm late to the party.
He's still alive!
Did you catch Ronald, brother?
Who even are you? Bro, I'm Poncho. Oh, now he's ex-general? Oh my god. He's still alive! I heard of you in the news. But we saved him.
But were you not supposed to?
We didn't save him. He saved us.
I've been trying to stop this strange creature for years. Since the world depended on it, I had to fake my death.
But then did he fake the pilots? No, the pilot got saved.
We are the only ones left. We have to destroy this. Dang. We need to do this for our. What?
For our dad.
It's time to be a hero. Then follow me.
Come on, come on. He actually walks kind of fast.
I mean, he does. He's faster than a day.
Yeah, facts. Dude, we're gonna be fighting Dad. We're gonna be fighting Dad, I think. No, imagine this. We're gonna be fighting Dad, and he's gonna be like supersonic. But as he's walking, he walks so slow. But we gotta fight him. He's gonna be supersonic. That's not good, right?
Who is that?
His name is question mark, question mark, question mark.
Wait, it's Ronald!
Oh my god, it's Ronald. That way. Be careful. This guy might be infected.
He's not infected. Why does he seem familiar?
Because it's Ronald. But I thought I made friends with him. I was friends with him.
Ronald!
He's half turned. Hello, General. Remember me? But I helped Ronald. I told him I would become friends with him. No way. You're supposed to be dead. Well, so are you supposed to be, General, but I guess we're supposed to be dead. Yep. Dude, this is crazy. When my dark side attacked presidential plane, we got shot in the face. That made me my curse become weaker. The only way I can be completely free is by killing.
Skeletor.
Who's that? I still don't trust you. You could be lying to us. But I befriended him. I made friends with him. You're not going to be a part of this mission.
Wait, Tom, can you see my floating bat?
No, I can just see you. Well, I'm still going to do it, General.
Can I see you?
Who's coming with me?
Can you? You see me?
There's no way my team is going with you. I'm not going with him. Han, I'm friends with him, though. I have to go with him.
Honestly, I trust him. I can't trust Ronald.
I'm sorry, Ronald. I befriended you, but you still killed the pilot. You tried to kill the pilot. You didn't let him go, and you set the whole thing on fire.
I don't know that. We choose to go with General Bonjo. Stay out of our way, Ronald.
Well, why can't Ronald just come with us? I want Ronald to come with us. Ronald's gonna kick
I
me.
would choose Ronald, but I slightly trust him.
Ronald's gonna kill me later. This is where all the evil energy comes from.
You know,
Uh-oh.
evil energy
What is that noise?
from a cave. Oh, thank God.
Oh no, they found us. Quickly. Go inside the cave.
Oh, there's a skull. I don't like that. Tana, which way did you go?
Just pick away. Fetch me their souls. I found the end. Oh my god.
Tana?
Put your hand against the wall, and you'll find every end, and you'll eventually get to the end. Hurry!
Tana?
What? Are you beating them up?
Yes, dude. I did it.
Look at the golden
I
plane.
just followed the planes.
The what?
There were planes.
Oh.
You didn't see them?
No. Some must have summoned. They must have summoned Skelebox? No. Oh, Skelebox! Oh my god. That's the guy that jumped us in the third one. This glowing plane looks like an offering. Ah! Oh. No! Did he just eat us?
Wait, we fell in.
Damien? My character was only having a mental breakdown or a heart attack.
There.
Where? What is it?
No, Ronald.
They got Ronald! McDonald!
General. You're right, General. No! They got the pilot! No!
Yo, she's not dead?
I thought she was dead, dude.
Jack. Who's Jack? Who's Jack?
Yeah.
And that guy.
And that guy.
Poor that guy.
Is that Dad up there?
No.
Oh, thank
They
God.
turned him. They turned him. The sword. Get out of here, General.
Wait, how do you get it?
I think there was only one. It's too late.
Wait.
Oh my god.
Ah!
Boss fight.
It's definitely a boss fight.
I've harvested enough scarce souls to have my full power. Why do you think I go after planes? I don't know, because you don't got nothing else to do. It's the easiest way to get souls together, scared for their life.
I can't get it.
I just used Ronald because he did not have enough power to do it myself. But now I do, and get ready to be harvested too.
Wait, no! Tana!
What?
You're getting the general!
He doesn't die.
Wait, how do you know?
Because he's very... Damien, help! He made me swab the deck.
But I think there's only one bat.
Damien, I'm gonna die. How do you dodge his attack?
You have to stand over here. No, dude.
Damien! Damien! Damien!
What is he doing?
Damien, look at my health.
Find a way to kill Skillocks. No! Tana,
I was gonna go.
you have the sword. Wait, kill him while he's down. Yeah, it's working.
What is he doing? Nope, I can't afford to.
Oh, look! He has health. Oh, God. General! He just spawns it under us. Tana, run! No, 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 no! I'm alive! Oh, I think you have to stay, like, back. No, no. Go!
Damien, help! Damien, help! Damien, help! Damien, help! Damien, look at my health! Damien, look at my health!
No, dude.
Where is he going? Which way is he turning? Okay, he's going that way. I'm gonna go this way.
General Poncho.
General, could you stop crying and get a bat?
He may be infected. dude.
Stop being a wuss puss.
Bully him. Never mind.
He said, bully him. No.
Donna. Not where you bully him.
Damien, help. I'm almost dead.
Donna, run!
Not today.
Now get him.
Get him wise down.
Wait, is he losing health?
It sounds like it. Oh, he's moving again.
Oh, so he lost a lot of health.
No, we didn't.
Oh god, we might die.
He just spawns up right under you. Bro! So if you keep moving, you'll be fine.
No, Donna, help! Ah!
DK. Oh my god, Damien, me and you are almost dead.
If only we had Robux. No, dude.
Damien, keep running! Damien, keep running!
Oh! He didn't hit me! I think this is where he goes, no. No, General!
Yeah, facts, General.
Wait, his hands are turning black. No, he's fine.
I'm like, what?
Yep. The third one of these is where you bully him. He's going after me next. Run!
Better run. Outrun his fist.
He's going after you next. That's not.
Damien?
Bully him!
Damien, are you having a heart attack?
Shut up. We may have killed him. We've killed him.
How do you know? Oh. Oh, his health is up there, not down there.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Wait, no.
No, Damien, run to the end! Run to the end!
I ran.
I ran to the general.
General?
You did it, soldiers. Sketchbox is gone for good.
Sketchbox.
Let's get everyone out of here. Bro, Damien, look at my health. Damien, look!
Ronald!
Ronald!
The guy.
It's Pilot.
Ronald
Je-
Trump. Pilot.
I just want to congratulate this brave heroes for bringing the evil to an end. I would also like to thank everyone you saved my life. No problem, Ronald. No problem, that guy. No problem, Ronald. No problem, General. No problem, Pilot.
Ronald, I'm just happy you're okay.
Good job, soldiers. I've been trying to finish with Skeleton Talks for a long time. And finally, he is gone. I know my dad would be proud. Mr. Flim Flam! He's even at our party!
Wait.
Wait.
Dream! I saw a dream!
Wait, who is that over there? What's up, family? Did you? Oh my God, it's Dad!
Dad!
Wait, no way.
Dad, look! Do you see Dream?
I don't know what James character looks like.
Dude, it's green. Do you see him?
Bro! Hon, Kelly's our mom? That is right. And the family is finally complete again. Kelly's our mom. Our dad almost got infected.
Tana, look!
This is amazing.
Over here!
Isn't this amazing,
Dream.
General?
Look! Dream! At the very back next to the purple guy.
Wait, the general's gone, Damien.
Tana,
Screw
do
Dream.
you see Dream?
Here, we can be sure wherever he goes, he will be saving the world.
Mr. Flim Flam. Good ending. Mission complete. Wait, then what's a bad ending? Probably us dying.
No, it's probably us being with Dude
With Ronald.
and getting probably captured.
Yeah. It's either being captured, being infected, or going with Ronald and being infected.
Yeah, Dream's an okay YouTuber though, but like yo,
Wait,
the,
how about we go back, try try to get the bad ending.
Nah. Okay, guys, that will be it for this video. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And we will see you
in the
later.
next